Hello and welcome to our newborn photography safety series brought to you by StandInBaby. My name is Sandra Moffat, and in an effort to make sure that we bring you all the information and facts relating to newborn safety, joining me throughout this series is well-respected neonatal nurse Anne-Marie Fieri, who will be advising us on the essentials to safely working with newborns in a studio environment. In this tutorial, we're going to talk about safety issues with newborn photography. But before we start, I'd like to say that if you are unsure about anything you hear during this series, please seek advice from a medical practitioner near you and get the answers that you need. If you have been given information from other sources, make sure it's a reliable source because the health and well-being of our clients should always be put first. In this tutorial, we're going to do a walkthrough of the bum up pose. We will cover what to look out for as well as what to avoid. So let's get started. So we're going to be now transitioning from the froggy pose into the bum up pose. And in an effort to try and not upset the baby or move it too much and to really fine tune our flow posing, the great thing about this beanbag, which is a Paloma shell beanbag, is that I have the ability to now untuck the sides, and because the beanbags are in two layers, I'm just going to really slightly twist the beanbag around, and then I can move very easily into the side bum up pose. So I'm going to do that now.